5 steps to becoming a top real estate agent. Are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level and become a top producer? It's time to stop hoping for success and start taking actions. With the right strategies and a commitment to hard work, you can achieve your goals and become a top real estate agent. Here are 5 steps to help you get started on your path to success. 1, set clear goals. Define your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals that will keep you focused and motivated. Number 2, invest in education. Continuous learning is essential in any industry, and real estate's no exception. Take advantage of training programs, attend industry conferences, and join real estate communities to gain knowledge and stay updated on the latest trends and strategies. Number 3, build a strong network. Networking is crucial for success in real estate. Connect with other agents, professionals in related industries, and potential clients. Attend networking events, join local associations, and leverage social media platforms to expand your network. Number 4, develop your brand. Establish a strong personal brand, and that is essential for standing out in a crowded market. Define your unique value proposition and create a consistent brand across all marketing channels. Use social media, blogging, and other marketing strategies to showcase your expertise and build credibility. Number 5, provide exceptional service. Going above and beyond for your clients will set you apart from the competition. Provide exceptional customer service, communicate effectively, and be responsive to client needs. A satisfied client is more likely to refer you to their friends and family, helping you grow your business. Are you ready to become a top real estate agent? Start implementing these steps today and watch your career soar. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and consistent effort, you can achieve your goals.